Springhouse, this is on the National Historic Registry, was originally known as the Bonson Home. Before we purchased the building, the library had storage units here and offices, and a lot of weird things would happen. Doors would close, books would fall on the floor. They literally had a seance here. We thought something was happening, and then for like a relative to say, oh yeah, we're like, what? Just as a precaution, every night when I leave, I'm like, hey, thank you, I had a great day, I hope you did too. My name's Tim Grandinetti. I'm the chef owner of Springhouse Restaurant, Kitchen and Bar and Dr. Brownstone's BBQ. We're here in downtown Winston-Salem cooking up a storm. I love to cook. I love to eat. Growing up in an Italian family in Hudson, New York, hosting family, friends, gathering around the dinner table was like life. What's in your soul is what goes on the plate. Never be afraid of the fire. Fire is your friend. That's what's going to help you cook. High heat, medium heat, low heat. We want fire. Dr. Brownstone loves fire. There is nothing more free than manning the barbecue and creating delicious dishes for people. To me, it's heaven on earth. Fire management, very, very important. A spray bottle, always. Fire extinguisher, always. But just be cognizant of your surroundings. If you're using a cooker and the lid's been down for a little while, you have to be careful when you lift that lid. That can be dangerous. Remember the movie Backdraft? Don't be in the movie Backdraft. I had the great pleasure, the honor of participating on Chopped Grill Masters, the very first version. It was everything you see on the show. Suspenseful, exciting, anxious, no regrets whatsoever, but man, would I love another shot at it now. But the clock, tick-tock, tick-tock, that changes everything. Earlier in my career, I did my culinary externship with Walt Disney World. I spent a dozen years with Marriott International as an executive chef and a director of food and beverage. But I've had wonderful opportunities. I've cooked in Japan, I've cooked in Italy. When I come back and I'm creating a menu, it really has a lot to do with where we've traveled recently, or a memory we may have had of some traveling, what we've read, and what we've enjoyed at other restaurants. One of the greatest things about cooking, I think, is the collaborational aspect. When everyone's in it together, everyone has a vested interest and everyone is engaged in the success of a dish or a meal period or a menu, that's important. My first barbecue sandwich was here in the Lexington area. I was just like, what the? It was fantastic, and I went after it like a dog on a bone. Well, my barbecue style has definitely evolved into a classic Lexington-style North Carolina pitmaster. And when I say that, we're focusing on shoulders. We're enjoying a slow-cooked, tender pork. My number one tip for anyone interested in getting into barbecue, get a great grill, keep it clean, maintain your grill, and just start small. Anybody who cooks, period, wants to use and should use the best ingredients available to them. I think cooking in season is important. I think quality over quantity is what we're looking at now. We want a tomato that tastes like a tomato. There's something about a fresh snipped herb that just picks a plate up, the freshness of the herb. You know, I stand on the shoulders of many other barbecue guys and gals who are willing to share their love, their passion for cooking. And I'll always be grateful for that. I think that's how you get better. You want to surround yourself with great, bright people. So here's this cooking program where 11 people are delivered right to your home. Talented, creative people sharing their craft with you. It's a culture, a group of guys and gals. It's love. It is love.